Want you to close your eyes for a moment and imagine standing in front of the mirror in the morning, first thing in the morning. Your skin is still soft from your sleep, your breath is steady, your lips are dry from the night, and you reach for something, anything, to give them relief, a swipe of chapstick, maybe some leftover balm from your purse, but then you pause. What if that tiny moment, something you usually rush through, became sacred? What if lip care wasn't just about appearance or habit, but intention, alignment, and emotional nourishment? Hey, beautiful souls. Welcome back to the Essential Wellness Podcast with your host, Janice Story. And today we're going deeper than skincare. We're exploring how something simple as handcrafted essential oil infused lip butters can completely transform your daily rituals, your connection with your body, and even the way you move through the world. Welcome to AJ's Infusions, Essential Wellness Podcast with Janice Story on this Wellness Wednesday. If you love discovering natural ways to elevate your wellness, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you never miss an episode. Let's glow, grow, and thrive together. Quick disclaimer, the information provided in this video is for educational and informational purposes only. As a nurse, I'm sharing general wellness information and not providing medical advice. Please consult with a healthcare provider for any health concerns. As an aromatherapist, I am providing information about the use of essential oils. Please consult with a qualified aromatherapist before using essential oils, especially if you are pregnant, nursing, have any health concerns, conditions, or if you are new to essential oils. Essential oils should always be diluted appropriately before application and always perform a patch test before using any new products. So last week's episode sparked some powerful conversations about lip care and how we're often on autopilot when it comes to taking care of our lips. So many of you reached out asking, how can I go deeper? What else can I do? And today we will answer that. So let's start with this truth. Every product you touch becomes part of your energy. If it's synthetic, rushed, mass-produced, it disconnects you. But when it's intentional, clean, and handcrafted with care with the essential oils that speak the language of your body, you reconnect. You come home to yourself. So let's talk about rituals and not routines. Imagine applying a lip butter scrub that doesn't just coat your lips, but it tells a story. The lavender to calm, peppermint to awaken, and frankincense to restore. You're not just moisturizing, you're creating a multi-sensory healing experience that speaks to your nervous system, your spirit, and your self-worth. And from that one shift, you begin to crave more. So there are more handcrafted treasures to explore. Here's how you can begin to layer that intention across your wellness rituals. So first we have body butters that embrace you. Think like a whipped mango butter with orange and bergamot to lift your spirit during the midday slump, or a shea lavender blend to help your nervous system unwind before bed. These butters don't hydrate, they hug you. Roller blends for emotional anchoring. One of my favorite things to do is to create a little pocket-sized moment of calm. I call them my emotional anchors, whether you need grounding, energy, or just a gentle mood lift. Essential oil rollers become sacred tools for emotional regulation. And then we have soaking with intention. So bath soaks become meditative moments. Add a few drops of some handcrafted bath salts with maybe eucalyptus for clarity, or maybe some chamomile to soothe your senses. As the water embraces your skin, your body says thank you. There are facial serums that also speak to your soul. Remember, facial care isn't just external. When you choose oils that align with your skin type and goals, like rose hip for regeneration or a blue tansy for inflammation, you're saying, I see you and I'm listening. Deepening your essential oil practice. This is where the transformation gets juicy. You no longer are just using oils, but you're living them. So here's a few empowering steps that you can start today. So first, we want to research and learn, dive deeper into the oils that are drawn to you. Why lavender? Why frankincense? There's often a spiritual or emotional need behind your preference, so honor that. Make sure you blend with intention. Just start with 2 to 3 oils and let your intuition guide you. It's part science and part art. Create your sacred application moments. Use your lip scrub, your roller, your butter. Slowly take a breath, feel the texture, inhale the scent. Be in that moment because presence is power. And then track how you feel. How does peppermint in the morning shift your mood? How does the frankincense make your skin feel over time? Your body is wise and it always leaves clues. So as we close today, I want to leave you with this. The way to care for your lips, your skin, and your body, it's a reflection of how you care for your soul. So what if you gave yourself 5 extra minutes today? What if the next lip butter moment became the start of a deeper self-care journey? Next week, we're diving into some DIY recipes and rituals. You'll learn how to make your own essential oil infused creations right at home. It's going to be fun, empowering, and soulful, so don't miss it. If this episode spoke to you, share it with a friend, leave a review, and go explore the handcrafted wellness world we've created at AJ's Infusions. Let's keep rising in ritual and intention. This is Janice Story with AJ's Infusions, Essential Wellness Podcast. And until next time, remember, true beauty isn't bought, it's built through intention.